Welcome to our virtual open house. I'm Dickie Somperak, president of Knoxville Catholic High School. Thank you for giving us some time today to check out our school. We're a little sad we couldn't be doing this in person, but we're glad that you're here, and we hope that these videos will give you an opportunity to learn a little bit about the life and culture of KCHS. Our mission tells us that we are a partnership with our parents as we strive to teach the whole child in mind, body, and spirit. By offering a rigorous academic program taught by an incredible faculty and staff in a faith-based environment, we are teaching the whole child, and we are preparing our kids not only for college and life after high school, but ultimately we're preparing our students for heaven. Our ACT scores and our college matriculation give us great evidence that our students and teachers are performing at a very high level. Over the last 3 years, our top 25% of our students have scored a 33 on the ACT, and the top 50% have averaged a 31. These are remarkable numbers, and our students are being accepted to colleges and universities all over this great nation. So whether it's our fine arts program, where we have chorus, band, theater, and visual arts, or our athletic program, where we offer over 30 sports for boys and girls, and we've boasted nearly 20 state championships in the last 12 years, or our award-winning robotics or Irish media programs, Knoxville Catholic has a place for you. So I encourage you to reach out to Joni Punch in our admissions office to sign up for the placement test and to schedule a tour so you can see for yourself why Knoxville Catholic High School is producing scholars, leaders, and saints. Thank you for taking this tour. I look forward to meeting you, and